Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be solving an example of finding the bearing capacity of a soil using Terzaghi's theory when a rectangular footing is supposed to be resting over it. So the example is a rectangular footing of size 2 meter by 3 meter is resting on a soil. Its base is at 1.5 meter below the ground surface. So we have to calculate the safe bearing capacity, and the factor of safety is 3, and also we have to calculate the net ultimate bearing capacity and the ultimate bearing capacity of the soil. The properties of the soil are: the cohesion value is 10 kilonewton per meter square, the angle of friction is 35 degrees, and the unit weight of the soil is 18 kilonewton per meter cube. This particular example is also been asked in the Mumbai University exam in May 2016 for 8 marks. So let's see how one can find the safe bearing capacity, ultimate bearing capacity, and the net ultimate bearing capacity for the given condition. Now, as per Terzaghi's theory, we know the ultimate bearing capacity equation will be 1 plus 0.3 B by L into C into NC plus gamma into DF into NQ into RW1 plus 0.5 into B into gamma into N gamma into RW2 into 1 minus 0.2 into B by L, where this term 1 plus 0.3 B by L and 1 minus 0.2 B by L is the shape factor. RW1 and RW2 are the water table correction factors, and NC, NQ and N gamma are the bearing capacity factors provided by Terzaghi. Now in this case, water table is not provided to us, hence the water table correction factor, that is RW1 and RW2, will be equal to 1. Phi value provided to us is 35 degree, and based on that the values for bearing capacity factor, that is NQ, will be 41.4, N gamma will be 42.4, and NQ will be 57.8. So once this has been done, the next step is to find out the ultimate bearing capacity of the soil. So to find out the ultimate bearing capacity of the soil, I'll substitute the values in that equation. That will be 1 plus 0.3 into 2 by 3, where 2 is the width of rectangular footing and the L value is 3. C is provided to us as 10 kilonewton per meter square, and NC value is 57.8, plus gamma, that is 18, depth of footing is 1.5 meters, into NQ value, that is 41.4, into 1, the water table correction factor, plus 0.5 into B, that is 2 meters, into gamma 18, into N gamma 42.4, into 1, that is the water table correction factor RW2, into 1 minus 0.2 into 2 by 3. So after substituting on calculation, I'll get the value of the ultimate bearing capacity of the soil as 2472.84 kilonewton per meter square. So I'll just highlight this value. Now the next step will be to find the net ultimate bearing capacity. So net ultimate bearing capacity QNU will be equal to QU minus gamma into DF. So that will be equal to 2472.84 minus 18 into 1.5. So the value of net ultimate bearing capacity of the soil comes out as 2445.84 kilonewton per meter square, and that I'll just underline it. And lastly, we have to find the safe bearing capacity of the soil, that is QS, which will be equal to the ultimate bearing capacity of the soil divided by suitable factor of safety, and in this case factor of safety is provided to us as 3. So therefore it will be equal to 2472.84 divided by 3. So therefore the safe bearing capacity for this given condition comes out as 824.28 kilonewton per meter square. So that's all from this video. Thank you.